Good afternoon. Welcome back to our series, We Are Pakistan, Part 84. Let's talk about the power resources in Pakistan. Energy can be obtained from various resources, for example, fuels, water, wind, and sunlight. These are either renewable or not renewable resources. Energy exists in various forms, for example, heat, light, electrical, and chemical. All can be converted into power, which can be used to do work. For example, when petrol or diesel is burnt in a car engine, its chemical energy is used to make the car move. Electricity is used to operate machines and appliances in factories and homes. We are going to learn about non renewable energy resources, alternative energy resources, Pakistan's energy crisis, and alternative resources of energy, national grid system, rural electrification, power resources and economic development, sustainable development of power resources. Non renewable energy resources are of great importance. They include coal and the other ones. Coal is very old fossil fuel. The better types have taken several hundred million years to form. Coal is formed by the decomposition of plants, especially equatorial swamp forests. The different types from the anthracite to peat have different qualities. Pakistan's deposits range from bituminous to lignite. Transporting coal from mine to the end users. The coal mining process is explained. After coal is extracted from the coal face, it is located onto the trolleys that run on tracks to the surface. In some small mines, donkeys are used to pull the trolleys. Once the coal leaves the mine, it is graded into different qualities and sold to dealers who supply it to brick kiln, cement factories, etc., where it is used as a fuel. Traditionally, brick kilns have used a large proportion of Pakistan's coal production. Today, environmental agencies are working with brick kiln owners to introduce more environmentally friendly technology to replace the heavily polluting coal fired kilns. Coal as a preferred source of power in the near future. Until the late 1990s, coal was the least popular energy fuel due to its poor quality and dangerous mining conditions. Recently, the government has been considering the use of coal in industrial sector for power generation for the following reasons. Pakistan has over 3,000 million tons of coal reserves. Balochistan used to be the most important coal mining region, but more recently huge reserves have been discovered in Sindh, Thar Desert. According to one study, Pakistan's coal reserves are many times greater than its reserves of natural gas and oil. In view of the uncertainty of surrounding the price of oil and the foreign exchange involved in importing oil, authorities have considered authorities have considered using indigenous coal as an alternative source of fuel. Now coal is used much Now coal is used in much of the cement industry because it is even cheaper than natural gas.